welcome to my channel. It's Tech Baby, and in today's video I'm about to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Even if you aren't tech savvy, anybody can do this. So come on, let's get to it. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you want to make sure you have a Google account. You have to have a Google account to sign up for YouTube. So in this case, we are already at google.com, and now I am about to just do a YouTube search. So just youtube.com. You can just search that right there in the search bar, and we're going to click on YouTube. Okay, so now this is, like I said, if you don't have a Google account, we're going to look at this. We're going to do all of this from scratch as if you don't have a Google account. So from here in this window, we're going to click sign in. Now, if you had an account, you would put your Google account in here, but I am going to just create a brand new account for the people that may not have one. So we're going to click here on create. From this drop down, I am going to do for my personal use. Okay, so we're going to select a name. For the name, I'm going to do fantastic people. Fantastic people. All right, that's the first name, that's the last name. Now we're going to click next. All right, so now we have to put in a birthday, so we're just going to come up with something. Gender, you're going to put your gender in there, and then we're going to click next. All right, from this window where it says use your existing email account, use your existing email address. So we are not going to use an existing email address. We are going to create a brand new email address. So from this screen, you're going to click get a Gmail address instead. Now, as you can see on this screen, it's going to show you some options that they basically came up with for you, but we're going to come up with our own. So we're going to click create your own Gmail address, and I'm going to put fantastic people, and let's see if that's available. And it is not, so I'm just going to try fantastic people 2025 at gmail.com. So now let's click next, and it's available. So we're going to put us a password in. All right, next. Boom, that's our password. Now you have to get a verification code sent to you. All right, now we got our code. We go click next. Right here is where you put a recovery email in. So, all right, so I got my recovery email in there, and that's just for like if something happens to your email account, you can use the recovery email to get access to it again. All right, so now my phone number, I got my account. We're gonna click next. We're gonna accept the privacy and terms, and we're gonna click I agree. All right, confirm personalization. We're gonna hit confirm. And we just created our Gmail account. So now that we have our Gmail account, we have to create our YouTube channel. Because remember, you have to have a Google email address to create a YouTube channel. So we just created our Google account. Now we're about to create our channel. So from this screen, we're going to click this little icon right here, which is the F, because my email address is fantastic people. And so from here, we're going to click create a channel. All right, so now we're on the screen where we can actually select our picture, which will be the actual picture that shows on your account, on your channel. So basically kind of like your profile picture. So from here, I'm going to hit select picture. If you want to use an illustration from what YouTube already has, you can do that, or you can select a picture from your computer. So I'm going to click from computer, and I'm going to click upload from computer. All right, so from here, I am just going to select this picture. I love beaches, y'all. All right, so you can, if you wanted to like basically adjust it, you could drag it and move it from side to side and get it right in there how you want it, and then click done. All right, and so now we have our name and our handle. So there's a difference between your name and your handle. Your name will be what actually displays as your name, which can be anything. You don't have to have like, it's not unique to YouTube, meaning 1,000 people could be Tech Baby, but 1,000 people could not be at Tech Baby. So the handle would be the @ symbol, and whatever name come behind it, and then the name would just be a basic name. So our name here is just going to be fantastic people, and then our handle would be, so for instance, if I try to do fantastic people, I'm going to show you that that's not going to be available. See, it says this handle isn't available. Here's one that's available. So remember, your name, a million people can have the same name, but a million people cannot have the same handle. And the handle would have the @ symbol in front of it and then whatever you put behind it. So I'm just going to do Fantastic People 2025, and that is available. And now we are going to click Create Channel. Voila, we just created our first YouTube channel. Now, I know y'all excited. Give yourself a hand clap. Give yourself a hand clap. If you went along with me with these steps, or if you do these steps after this video, give yourself a hand clap. You now have a YouTube channel. Good job. So in the next video, we're going to talk about customizing the channel, going in and editing some things inside of the channel. So make sure you stay tuned. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you actually went through and you tried the steps and you was able to create your channel. And also, until the next video, remember, do not stress, because with Tech Baby, you will become the best. I'll see y'all next time, okay? Bye.